Good morning. I am going to unbox another Scruff A Luvs. This is an Easter version, limited edition, so I have a chance of a different colored bunny. Last year I did an unboxing of a Scruff A Luvs right when they first came out. They were like a hot item last year, and I wasn't really impressed. This was last year's Scruff A Luv. It doesn't really look that good. I just not happy with how scruffy it still looks. But my last video, lots of people commented on how I can do better. I just needed to take more time drying it and combing it out and stuff, and got lots of helpful tips. So I'm gonna read through those tips and give this a second chance and try another one. And this one is a bunny, Blossom Bunnies. So let's open it up. Let's see, release me. Oh my goodness, am I not even gonna be able to open it? Okay, here we go. And then, oh, I'm gonna rip the box. That's okay, I'm not saving the box. It's nice packaging, but that's okay, I don't plan on keeping the box. Alright, here we go. So, alright, so I got a Till bunny. It's very cute. And then, let's see, what is this? The birth certificate, certificate of adoption, and then the instructions. Definitely read the instructions. So, let's see. What color bunny have you rescued? Till. 2. Give your Scruff A Luv a nice bath to wash out its matted fur. Wash in a sink or large bowl of lukewarm water, and once washed, rinse off in a clean water at least once. All right, let's start with that. Let me grab a bowl of water and I will be right back. All right, I have a bowl of water. I definitely feel like last time I didn't rinse it off enough. They definitely use some type of glue substance to keep it in the scruffy ball form. So I just feel like maybe last time I didn't rinse it enough. So I'm just gonna get it wet, and then off camera I'm gonna really rinse it several times in the sink. Oh my goodness, it's coming. Aw, look at those ears. Nice long bunny ears. It does, on the instructions, it does say you can use child soap. I'm just gonna rinse it really good. Okay, those ears are the cutest in the world. Let's see its little bunny tail. It's got a little white bunny tail that definitely is looking very scruffy. Cute little pink paw pads. Okay, doesn't feel as sticky as it did last time. That gives me hope that maybe they didn't use too much glue. So cute. All right, let me rinse this off, and then the next stage, it says to blow dry it on a low setting or throw it in the spin cycle. Last time I did the spin cycle and I didn't like how it turned out, so I am going to grab a blow dryer and use the blow drying method and see what happens. All right, here is my Scruff A Luvs. I squished it as much as I can to get out all the water. Definitely still extremely scruffy, but not as wet. This is the brush that comes with it, but a couple people had a tip to use a cat brush that's easier to comb, and they said it does a better job, which I happen to have one since I do have cats, so I'm gonna give that a try. And like I said, I'm gonna do the blow dry instead of the spin cycle. So I have my hair dryer right here. I know you don't want to hear the sound of a hairdryer, so I'm going to do that off camera. I just wanted to show you. I'm really liking this rabbit much better than the last kitty that I did. So let me blow dry this for a little bit, and I'm going to be combing it with this as I blow dry, and we'll see what happens. All right, I just spent 20 minutes blow drying and brushing the rabbit. It looks really, really good. The ears are still a little damp after 20 minutes, but that's because that's fabric, but the rest is completely dry. So what I did was I just blow dried it on low heat and just constantly brushed it. with this, and I didn't lose too much hair. You know, when you brush anything, hair comes out. So this is all the hair that I lost. I think that's pretty good. I was worried that I would lose too much hair in these wire bristles, but that's it. That's all I lost, which I think is normal, because even hair comes out when you use this brush. It wasn't necessarily because I was using the metal brush. It's just because, you know what, you lose hair when you brush it, whether it's a real person or a stuffed animal, apparently. So yeah, it's amazing how different it looks when you actually take the time. So, you know, this is not a toy for someone with a short attention span, because all in all, I spent 20 minutes blow drying it, 5 minutes rinsing it out, and, you know, another 5 minutes just styling it and trying to get it to sit up, because it definitely does not sit up very easily. So, you know, to make this toy look good, you have to spend like 30 minutes on it, which I don't have a problem with that, but I also know lots of kids have short attention spans, so I definitely don't think this toy is for everyone. But see, I don't like how it won't stand up, but it is adorable. It kind of reminds me of like a Wookiee. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? And so this is the rabbit that I took 30 minutes to look beautiful, and then this is my original that I probably spent like 10 minutes on. So you can definitely see the difference. You definitely have to spend a lot of time to make your Scruff A Luvs look good. Really happy with it. I'm glad I gave it a second chance. I'm glad I got the teal color. I like this color. So I just wish it would sit up a lot easier. And then it comes, what is it? Why will it not sit up? It's like the head is too big. There you go. It's gonna stay there for, nope. Come on. And then it came with that brush, and then it also has this headband. Let's see. How does that work? Squish its head, apparently. There we go. Not for sure that I like the headband, but it is adorable. Look at that. So, so cute. So there you go. Scruff A Luvs is a good toy as long as you have 30 minutes to play with it and make it look good. Yeah, the ears are still a little damp, but everything else is dry. Oh, I can't get over how much the face looks like a Wookiee. It's so adorable. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips, easier tips to make this Scruff A Luvs process easier, if anyone's made it look this beautiful without spending 30 minutes on it, let me know. Any tips is greatly welcome, because I'm actually thinking about getting another one, because I do love rabbits and this bunny is adorable. And anyone know how to get it to sit up? It's just really annoying that it won't sit up. So, and then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna rewash this one and do the same thing and try to make this one look a lot better, because I did spend money on it. I don't want it to look this bad. So, yep. I'm gonna go wash this right now and blow dry it and see if I can get it to look better. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.